and today we are talking about breaks for flamenco music. We call it cierres o remates in flamenco music. It's something very interesting for you. My name is Pancho Brañas. I'm a flamenco drummer. Welcome to my channel. Are you ready? Let's go! Cierres, remates flamencos, flamenco breaks. I think you can guess what is the purpose of this type of break. There is a sentence, a musical phrase, and at the end of this phrase, at the end of this arrangement, there is a break to mean it's finished, and we're going to another different part now. And they are very special because this is an arrangement that comes from the guitar or from the foot of the dancer. So you can imagine this type of breaks is not for drummer, it's more for dancers or for guitarists. So we adapt this thing and we play it in drums. And what happened? We are doing something very special in drums because almost everybody in the world, they are doing breaks like a drummer, but we are doing breaks like a dancer or guitarist, which is something very special. And we are going to be different playing drums if we learn this type of things. Of course, we can use these breaks in flamenco music, of course, but we can use it also for another styles of music. So I think this is very interesting. Today we are going to talk about a special break what I create for you, and it's in Bulerias styles. We call it Bulerias Palo Flamenco. Bulerias is a very special Palo Flamenco. It's very free, very creative Palo Flamenco, and we can do in Bulerias many different things. Today we are going to talk about this particular break, and I'm going to show you how it works just now. First of all, without music, and after with the music. I'm going to play this flamenco break very slowly now, and you can see how it works. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2. And now, little faster, okay? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, And faster. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now, with the music. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I hope you like it. As you know, the best way to learn flamenco on drums is listening flamenco. For this reason, if you want, you can go to my YouTube channel. You can see my playlist, and also you are going to find Bulerias playlist. There is, I think, like 40 songs of Bulerias music, and you can learn many things about Bulerias and, of course, flamenco breaks on Bulerias. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like what I'm doing, and ring the bell, please. Of course, I will be here doing many more things during every week. I hope you will be there with me. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Había guardo yo. Había guardo yo.